I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding your bank account to the Square app is essential for managing your transactions smoothly. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Bank Accounts. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on Bank Accounts. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Add new bank account. Tap on the Add Bank Account button. You will need to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Square may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Square into your bank. Check your bank statement for these amounts. Remember, if you don't see the verification deposits, it might take a few days for them to appear. Once verified, you'll be all set to start processing payments. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble linking your bank account to the Square app. Happy selling!